The origin of soap dates back to ancient times, and there are several theories about how it was discovered. Here are some of the most common hypotheses regarding the origin of soap. Accidental discovery. According to an ancient legend, soap may have been discovered accidentally by Mesopotamian artisans in the area corresponding to present-day Iraq around 2800 BCE. They supposedly noticed that animal fat and wood ash they used to clean their clothes in the river created a foamy substance that cleaned them better. This would have been the first form of soap. Intentional discovery. Other theories suggest that soap making could have been intentionally discovered by ancient populations looking to improve their cleaning and hygiene practices. They would have experimented by mixing various fats and ashes until they obtained a substance that cleaned effectively. Influence of ancient cultures. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all had cleaning and hygiene practices that used substances similar to soap. For example, Egyptians used a combination of animal fats and vegetable oils to clean their bodies. Greeks and Romans also had their own cleaning methods involving oils and ashes. Soap development in Europe. Over time, soap making developed and improved. Arab soap makers are believed to have introduced the saponification process, the chemical reaction between fats and alkalis, to Europe during the Middle Ages. In Europe, soap became an essential product for personal hygiene and was also used for laundering clothes. Thus, the origin of soap dates back to ancient times, and its development and manufacturing evolved over the centuries to result in the various types of soap we know today. Soap became a key element of personal hygiene and cleanliness in many cultures around the world. Feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more captivating content.